Okay, ready?
No.
Okay, well, it's recording.
Yeah. This one reverse. Sitting in my room, have nothing to do, so we're gonna sing about fondue, 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 fondue. What is fondue? I don't even know. What is fondue, Jake?
I don't know.
It smells like fondue. Did you pass gas, Jake?
No.
Fondue, I think, is a type of chocolate. I'm not quite sure. Fondue is like a food, because Justin Bieber sang about it. Fondue, 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 fondue. Freestyle! Jake, what? Freestyle!
I don't know what to sing. Fondue.
Yeah. Fondue is a type of chocolate, don't even know. It's kind of like a food. Fondue is like chocolate, and it tastes pretty good. Sitting by the fire while we're eating fondue. But I know about me, but I know about you. Say another 2% of winning 3, 2, swag on you! Yeah! Why are we singing Justin Bieber?
I don't know. Go up and do your solo now.
My solo?
Yeah.
Right. Wait, hold on.
That's why they invented a neck strap.
Yeah. Like my fondue solo? My fondue solo? Sure, my fondue solo.
What?
Are you ready for this?
No.
Oh, I'm trying to get. How do you do that? Alright, go.
You don't.
There it goes. Oh yeah. Fondue, 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 fondue.